And what's this called again?
Mexican hot dogs.
Where'd you see this?
It was on TikTok.
Oh.
Look.
We usually either just boil our hot dogs in water or
Yep.
put them in the oven or something.
Yep. You got to have some jalapenos. Oh, back up, back up.
Mama,
Look.
you think you can handle all those jalapenos?
I can you?
That's just a lot of grease.
I know, but look.
That's it.
Well, I don't know yet. I'm going to start with that.
Wow.
This just looks like a lot of stuff to put in a regular hot dog bun. So I thought about using these. I don't know.
You look like you going to a business meeting
A business meeting?
with that shirt, that jacket.
You like my jacket? I think this bun's going to be better. So we're going to do one of each just to see.
Are you excited?
I am. I'm excited to try this. I wonder if I put too much grease in here.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh. Come on.
Wow.
We'll add some more.
I hope you like onions.
Oh, I do. You know I do.
Oh, that's better.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
See how this one just, I don't know. I mean, that one did okay, I guess. It did better than I thought.
Is that the right type of cheese?
Well, I don't know. Now, they did, some videos had sliced cheese and some videos had shredded cheese. This looks like a fair food. It will get at the fair.
Yeah.
It does.
Maybe we can make a food truck and sell these if they're good. Oh. Lord.
This is amazing.
Amazing.
Yes. And you don't need no mayonnaise, no mustard, no ketchup or anything with this. It's got to be the hot dog bun.
Hot dog bun.
You got to have a hot dog bun. I'm supposed to sit here and eat both of these.